Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're gonna need perler beads, pony beads, string, a lighter, scissors, and a needle, and one of these circle pegboards for the perlers. And we're gonna make one of these. You're gonna start by putting one of the, well, I'm using the striped perler beads, but you can use whatever colors you want. And you're just gonna go around the circle. So we started with one blue and then I did black around, and you're just going to go back and forth from black and blue. Okay, now it's time to melt the perler. So you don't want to over melt it so you can see through it. I would melt it until the circles have a tiny little hole. Okay, so here's what I mean by the little holes. Like you can still see through it. To connect these two, I'm going to use one of these big perler beads. You can find them at most craft stores. If you don't have those, you could just use like 2 pony beads. But we're going to take our needle. I have a small piece of string here, and we're going to go through one of these holes, and we're going to take the bead, and it's going to go through both strings. And then we're going to take the other one and go through any of the holes. And you're going to tie this together. And you want it to be really tight. And I like to try to tuck my knot in so it doesn't scratch your nose. So that's what it looks like. And now I have another piece of string. This is going to be for the headband part. Put my needle on. And we are going to find the center over here. Straight across from, because we want this to be even. So pull our string through. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to make a knot here. Okay, so we have a knot. And my pattern is going to be 3 black on both sides of the string. And we're going to get 1 blue, and that's going to go on both sides, or both of the strings. We're going to put on 3 black on both sides. And then the blue is going to go through both. Put 3 black on both sides. And the blue is going to go through both. And you're going to want to pull this not super tight, but tight enough so it'll grip around your head when you're wearing it. I'm going to continue this pattern until I reach about 22 inches because that's the length of my head, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished my headband part. Now it's time to connect these and tie it off. And we need to find the middle over here. And we're going to make a knot. All right, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.